What's going on? This is the STREETCRED 2023. Let's go. All right, let's find some contestants. Let's see who's ready to play. Peace family, what's going on? We're Roundtree here. We are in downtown Las Vegas. It is 2023, and that's right, we're bringing STREETCRED back. And right now we are sitting here with Steph. It's just Steph? Just like Madonna, no last name?
Yeah, no.
Okay, Steph. Okay, so Steph, look, I'm asking people 5 financial literacy questions about credit. If you get all 5 of them right, I'm gonna give you 20 bucks. What are you gonna do with the $20, Steph?
Buy me a drink.
Buy a drink. So if it's buy one, get one free, can we split it?
Yeah.
Okay, she said we can split the drink. Okay, Steph. Question number 1. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
Is this time?
No, you got this, girl.
It is not time.
Yes.
Equifax.
Yes.
Equifax, there you go. Trust me, I want this drink too, Steph.
said 5?
So 2.
Oh, 2.
3. The 3 major credit bureaus.
3.
But it's 5 questions. She said, can we Google?
I always see it on my credit score,
Okay.
but I can't remember.
That's all right, Steph. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you the answers. You didn't win though, but I'm gonna tell you the answers. The answer is Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion.
Oh my god, yeah.
That's all right. She almost had it.
Yeah,
Where are
yeah.
you from, Steph? Where are you from?
LA.
LA.
Yeah.
What do you know about credit?
Not that much, apparently.
All right, this is what I need you to do. I actually travel the country and I teach people about financial literacy. I need you to follow me on Instagram where I teach everything about credit. Because the next time I see you, I need you to know these answers. Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
Family, so far we are 0 for 1. We're in downtown Las Vegas. Look, I'm trying to get some money away. I'm having fun. Well, we're going to see who's going to be the next contestant on STREETCRED 2023. Let's go. And I am here with
Joyce.
Joyce
James.
and James.
Priscilla.
That's right. You done messed it. See, we scripted this already. Priscilla. And we got James. Where y'all from?
St. Louis, but we just
St.
moved
Louis.
here.
Just moved here. What brought you guys to Las Vegas?
Y'all, the fun, excitement, the mantis, the Fremont Street,
Okay.
the strip. Come
Okay,
on,
okay,
y'all.
okay. All right, so look, I'm going around the country asking people several financial literacy questions. If you get all of them right, I'm gonna give you 20 bucks.
How many questions?
It's only 5.
Because after that, I go, my mind is blank.
It's only 5.
Okay.
You guys ready?
All right.
Do you need to study?
Okay.
Okay. First question. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm about that paper.
Okay. All right, question number 2. How do you spell credit bureaus?
CREDITBUREAUX.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to take out a loan in a minute because I'm getting nervous. James, where you at, man?
He let me know.
Oh, okay,
Hey,
okay.
I let the commander do the thing.
Okay.
Yes.
Question number 3. At what age do you generate a credit score?
Generate credit score.
Yes.
What age?
I have no idea.
Hold up.
I don't know because my
16.
household didn't teach me about credit. I had to
That's
wait till I
why
got
I'm
older
doing
and
what I
learn it
do.
myself.
That's why I'm doing what
So
I'm
I
doing.
don't know what age because I was in the part that didn't know. My mom didn't know, so she
Okay.
couldn't teach me.
Priscilla and James, you guys did not win.
I know.
But he said 16. That is incorrect. That's close. It's actually 18 is when you generate a
You
credit
didn't give
score.
me a chance to say nothing. I didn't get it.
You threw in the towel.
I didn't throw no
You threw in the towel.
Either. I'm
You
gonna let
said-
y'all go ahead. Let's roll with the rest. You ain't gotta pay me anyway, but let's come on next.
You done threw in the towel.
Let me say this on camera, y'all.
Okay.
I never graduated high school. Stay in high school. Doesn't mean you're nobody. I make $100K a year legally. You are still somebody, even if you didn't graduate. Take that cross off your back. You carried it long enough.
Just like that. Just like that. They say never let schooling get in the way of your
Never.
education. You like that one, don't you, James?
Absolutely.
You can borrow that one, brother. All right.
Hand it to me and
I would at least try
Put
to
it
buy
back
y'all
in
a
the
drink
business.
or
No,
another
I don't
a
drink.
prime rib since you done
We
gave
just
yours
had
away.
prime rib. I want you to enjoy it. But y'all keep doing that, y'all.
All right, James.
Nice
All right,
All right,
all
pleasure to meet you.
right.
Thank you,
Nice
thank
meeting
you.
y'all.
Absolutely.
Have a nice one now.
Absolutely, man. Take care. Las Vegas, downtown. Look, we are 0 for 2. I'm trying to get this money away, man. Look, I done went out and I done leveraged my credit to get this money so I can give it to somebody to answer all 5 of these questions. But look, I'm not gonna give up, so we're gonna keep going. Downtown Las Vegas, Will Roundtree, Street Cred, 2023. Let's go. All right, where you from, man?
Sacramento.
Sacramento. Okay. I am here with my good friend
Zay.
Zay from Sac Town. What you doing out here, man? You just moved here, man. I met you like the second person I've met that's recently moved here.
Dope as shit.
You like Vegas? How long you been out here?
About 10 months.
10 months. Vegas is different.
Yeah, we started the business and all the shit.
That's what I'm talking about, man. I'm gonna ask you 5 financial literacy questions, Zay. You have to get all 5 of them right. Get all 5 of them right, I'm gonna give you $20 cash. Damn. How many Modelo's can you get with that? At least 2. We gonna split them?
No.
Oh, okay. I appreciate the
I got a
honesty.
wife, I gotta split them.
Oh, okay. All right, okay. We'll split yours then, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Question number 1. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax.
Zay, it looked like you've been practicing before you got here.
Too much pressure.
Question number 2. How do you spell credit bureaus?
Shit. CREDITBUREAUS.
Good job, Zay. Question number 3. At what age do you generate a credit score?
18.
Zay, this man is incredible.
I really
Okay, he almost there. Okay, Zay, you're doing good, man. Do you know that 95% of people get question number 1 wrong? We almost there, Zay. We almost there. All right, what is considered good debt?
What's considered good debt? Open like a revolving line of credit.
What would you use it for? Like, what type of debt is considered good debt? Like, what would you use good debt for?
Assets.
I'm gonna give that to him. I'm gonna give that to him. He said good debt is used for assets. Zay, man, you about to be like the Black Dave Ramsey.
All I needed that dub.
Okay, last question, Zay. What is the highest FICO score you can have?
Highest FICO score, 850.
Zay, damn it. Good job, brother. Look, this is one of the first winners on Street Cred. Zay say he is about to go get some Modelo's with him and wifey. Who would you like? Hey, do you want to give an acceptance speech for winning on here on Street Cred?
Look, I do, to my business, XR Cleaning Plus.
XR Cleaning
My
Plus.
wife's cleaning business.
That's what I'm talking about.
Commercial out here in Las Vegas.
Hey, I like that plug, man.
Yeah.
Definitely. Look, I done interviewed 3 people. Zay done got it right. He about to go turn up with that $20. So we are out here, downtown Las Vegas, Street Cred, 2023, Will Roundtree. Let's go. Downtown is completely different than the Strip. The energy is in downtown. It's like 2 different worlds. So if you ever come to Las Vegas, you gotta come to downtown Las Vegas and have a different experience. Yeah, the Strip is cool, but downtown is just different. Would you like to play?
Yes.
All right, what you gonna do with the 20 bucks?
Spend it on the strip.
Spend it on the Strip. Question number 1, Miss Nashville. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
TransUnion, Equifax, and I'm taking too long.
All right, come on. I'm gonna tell you what they are. Come on. So the answer is TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. She even told you in the background. She gave you a lifeline and everything.
I got an AirPod in.
Oh, okay. So,
Like, damn, why you didn't say that? Yeah, I slide in this AirPod. Cause he turned around and looked like, get back.
I was elbowing her out the way and everything. No, we appreciate you playing. How long you guys in town? Till tomorrow. So I appreciate you guys playing. Make sure you guys have a safe trip home, and welcome to Las Vegas.
How you doing, boss?
I'm good. Will.
What is it?
Will.
Will. I'm Victor. Nice to meet
Victor.
you. Yes, nice to meet you, my man.
so
I'm
what-
about to do something amazing for you, okay, my man? Now, before I even get to a card trick, I want you to check these rubber bands out. Make sure there's nothing wrong with them. There's regular rubber bands. There's no trap doors. There's no mirrors. They're pretty solid rubber bands, right?
All right, Victor.
Pretty good? There's 3 things you can know about me first, though. Rule number 1.
You're black.
That is, I thought it was noticeable though. Come on now. Right. So rule number 1, I am not a magician. I'm an illusionist, okay?
Okay.
There's a difference between the 2, all right? The difference is a magician never gonna tell you what he's gonna do. I'm gonna make. I won't even tell you. I'm gonna let you do the magic at the end, okay?
All
On
right.
this phase. But watch, I'm gonna place a rubber band right behind this rubber band. Can you see that?
I can see
I
that.
can't go that way.
Yep.
I can't go this way.
Correct.
I can't even go that way, right?
Correct.
No matter if I twist them, no matter if I pull, right? When I rub and then blow, they go right through each other. but I need the magic to happen in your hands. Can I borrow your hands for this last
Yes.
one?
They
Let's go,
cost,
man.
though.
Oh, no. I need both hands. Curl your first two fingers up. I'm gonna place the rubber band on the first two fingers. I want you to hold up the rubber band and stretch out the rubber band just like that, okay? Now, as you see, I'm on the first finger, right? I go behind the rubber band onto the thumb, correct? I can't go that way. You want to be on that side for this one, okay? I can't go this way. I can't go that way, right?
Nope.
I can't even go this way, correct?
Correct.
Check them out in the beginning to make sure there's no trap doors and no mirrors, right?
Nope.
No matter if I twist it, no matter if I pull, right?
Nope.
Just say when.
Now,
Bet. Let's go. Let's go. Now, you shuffle the deck up as many times as you want it, right? However you like, correct?
Yep.
Okay. Can I borrow you guys here? Can I borrow you guys for this one? Some people like to look through the deck to make sure there's no cards turned upside down. Make sure there's no doubles. Okay. I'm gonna turn your guys' way so you guys can see. Make sure there's no doubles. There's no cards turned upside down. It looks pretty fair, right? Now, watch my hands. They like to say magician's hands are tricky. Okay? I'm gonna shuffle the deck up several times. Okay? Look, I'm gonna cut it up. Even put some behind the deck. I even cut it again and again and again. Pick up anywhere that you feel is the top 1/3 of the pack, flip it upside down and place it right back on top of the deck, okay? Pick up anywhere you feel is the top 1/3 of the pack. Flip it upside down, it's right back on top. I want you, my man, to do the same thing, but I want you to pick up half of the deck, okay? So go down a little bit further than where you selected, pick it up, flip it upside down, place it right back on top. Perfect. You picked up anywhere you want it, right? And you picked up anywhere you want it? Okay, we'll go down to the very first face down card. The very first face down card, right about here. Go ahead, take the card. Yep, take the card. Don't show me, show everybody else. You remember it?
We got it.
You got it?
we got it.
Okay. Place it anywhere you want in the deck. You got it?
Yep.
Okay, shuffle it, just to make sure. I don't know where it's at, and you don't know where it's at.
That's that
see.
space shuffle.
I see. Okay, now you put it anywhere you want it, and you shuffled it, correct?
Yep.
Okay, so it doesn't matter if I look through the deck, right?
No.
Because you put it anywhere and shuffled it, right?
Yep.
Do me a favor, think about the card in your mind, okay? But don't ever tell me what it is, okay?
All right.
Stay focused on it. I want you to think of any number that you want, 1 through 30, but kind of keep it short, but still kind of keep your eye on the actual card. Tell me out loud, what is that number?
My number, 7.
Now, this trick is called lie detector test, okay? You can lie to me if you want to. It's up to you. Stay focused on the card in your mind. Is your card an ace? Say yes.
Yes.
Is your card a 2? Say yes.
Yes.
A 3?
Yes.
4?
Yes.
5?
Yes.
6?
Yes.
7?
Yes.
An 8?
Yes.
A 9?
Yes.
10?
Yes.
A jack?
Yes.
Queen?
Yes.
King?
Yes.
Okay, stay focused on the card. I'm gonna ask you one last question. You can lie to me if you want to. It's up to you, okay? Your card, I see it. Your card is a red card, isn't it, right? It's a red card, right?
Yeah.
I knew it. I can just tell by the wait. You lied to me. Hold on. Stay focused on the card. Visualize the card in your mind. Picture, if it's a picture card, visualize the picture of the card. But if it's a number card, visualize the number with the suit. You have it in your mind?
Absolutely.
Say it over and over and over.
Got it.
2 of clubs.
Yeah.
That's the crazy part. Look, Curtis, that's the crazy part. You gave me a number. What was that number? 7. You could have chose any number you wanted, right?
Right.
You put it inside the deck and you shuffled it, right?
Right.
Look, we'll go straight down. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th card.
Hey.
Your card.
Hey.
The 2 of
Hey.
clubs.
I am here with my good friend
Fernando.
You got the Cohiba?
This one is Victor Sinclair.
Victor Sinclair. It smells good.
Thank you, brother.
Okay, man. So, look, I'm going to ask you 5 questions. If you get all 5 right, Victor, I'm going to give you $20. What you going to do with the $20?
Probably gamble it away.
Probably gamble. Bet it all on black, right?
Yeah.
There you go. All right, so Victor, first question. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
I'm probably going to get it wrong already. FICO, Expedia, and something. I don't know.
All right, Victor.
I got it wrong, but I'll keep going.
We're going to give you a hit, man. All right, so 2 of them are on Credit Karma.
I only logged into it once in my life, brother.
Once in your life. Okay, so the answers are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion.
So then what the hell is FICO?
So FICO is the scoring model
Okay,
that calculates the credit score. Yeah, so where you from, Victor?
California.
California. So, man, I appreciate you playing.
No,
He done already shouted out EYL, earn your leisure, so.
Regardless, hey, if you guys need to know, my credit score is 830.
Hey, Victor done flexed on him, said he got an 800 credit score. Hey, let's go buy a Lamborghini, man.
Let's do it. I mean, I could, but then you'd have to finance it. You know what I mean?
Hey, my man Victor already educating other people about credit. This is why I do this, y'all. Look, 2023, Will Roundtree Street Cred. Let's go. Where y'all ladies from?
Chicago.
Chi-Town. What y'all doing in Vegas?
Mother's Day.
Mother's Day. Who's the mother?
All of us.
Mama. All right, so I'm gonna ask you ladies 5 financial literacy questions, okay? I'm gonna let all y'all participate.
Okay.
You ready? Are you ready though? As ready as you're gonna be. No phones, you can't be Googling. First question, what are the 3 major credit bureaus?
TransUnion, Experian, and I want to say it's FICO.
Not FICO.
Hold on, we're still debating.
You gotta get him time, because I ain't trying to get beat up.
Equifax.
Got it right. Oh! Question number 2. At what age can you generate a credit score?
18.
Hey, okay, they got it right. Question number 3, y'all ready? What is the highest FICO score you can generate?
Say 850.
Oh, she got it right. She got it right. Question number 4. What is considered good debt? What type of debt is considered good debt? She said, "Is that a real question?" Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a hint.
You got a house loan.
A house loan. She got it right. I'm gonna let her have it.
That's your house.
I'm gonna let her have it. She got a gun. She got a gun. I'm gonna let her have it. Last question. Who can spell credit bureaus?
CREDIT. Damn. Come on, with the bureau now. B-U-R.
Okay.
Come on, keep it going. Ask Google. E-A. No.
She had the first half.
Hey, can I write it down? Okay.
Huh?
Can I write it down?
Yeah, go ahead.
I gotta see it.
Okay, so they're trying to figure out how to spell credit bureaus, and we're giving them a lifeline.
Wait, I want to ask you a question.
Hold on, she want to ask me a question. What's the question?
Why are you asking so many credit questions?
That's a good question. That's a good question, and I'm gonna answer.
There's gotta be a catch to this.
It's not a catch. I actually been traveling the country for the past 7 years teaching people about credit. I have a book out called Credit is King, one of the top selling books on credit. I also have a book on entrepreneurship called Full-Time CEO, the shit they don't tell you. I'm a TEDx speaker, and I've educated over 50,000 people in person and virtually over the past 10 years. Credit has changed my life, and it's helped change a lot of people's lives, because one of the things that I've learned about credit is that is what wealthy people have leveraged to create wealth. And I've actually bought my very first investment property using a credit card. So I teach people about credit. Was that good enough for you?
That'll work.
There you go. All right. Downtown Las Vegas 2023 Street Cred, Will Roundtree. Let's go.